Okay, so we've discussed this normal dashboard where you have a quick view of your customers, your accounts, your items, and your bank information. So let's start with the customers dashboard, which is this. So we have the customers outstanding balance here. So these are people who are actually owing us. So and you can see details for each of those customers from their reference, from their invoice, the date the transaction was made, and how much they are actually owing the company. So let's see the details of this person. Okay, so this is the information of the customer here, the customer's balance, and the description of the goods that was bought, likewise the price and the VAT price and all of this. So you can edit, you can send an email or print a print preview of this person's invoice. You can edit. Likewise, you have other options here: the invoice history, show users defined fields, document attachments, document notes, and some other things we are still going to look at in this video. So let's go back. So you have top customers by sales, showing the highest number of sales that was made to a particular customer, and the customer's balance by days, the outstanding by days. This is like a graph to know the number of days that your receivables will be due and the rest of them. So here under this customers report, you can create a list of customers for your report. You can see sales by customers. You can generate reports of customers transaction, days outstanding, and statement one. Basically all of these terms are what we've discussed earlier in our previous classes. Okay, so let's see the suppliers dashboard as well. So under the suppliers dashboard, we have the top suppliers by outstanding balance. Suppliers, these are the people we are owing, people that are supplying us maybe raw material or something that we are using in our company. So this is their outstanding balances. The person we are owing much more amount of money. Okay, so in this one, this is the person we are owing large amount of money. So basically outstanding balance are the money we are owing our own suppliers. So top suppliers by purchase, so this is the information here. Likewise, we can see the outstanding by number of days, and we can generate reports for our suppliers as well. So that is for suppliers dashboard. Likewise, we can also view our items dashboard. Remember I said item is our inventory, probably the products you are selling in your company or your service either. Okay, so these are the top items by value on hand. That is what we have at the moment, our stock, our inventory that we still have with us. This is, and this is the top selling items according to how the product or service is moving. So this is the top purchased item. These are the things we've actually purchased too. And likewise, you can generate reports for those items one after the other under this information here. So let's go on to the financial dashboard. On the financial dashboard, we actually saw this on the major dashboard earlier. This is a banking dashboard, giving us an information of how the transaction in our banks are actually going. So this is showing our income versus expenses, how we are spending and how we are making some other income. So you can actually make a decision with these charts here to see if your income is much more than your expenses. So you can see in March the income is somehow lower than our expenses. So we expended more in March than what we realized in March, unlike May when the income is very gigantic and the expenses is very low. So for better understanding, we can still come under the settings here to set how this chart is going to look, so that we can easily recognize which is income and which is expenses, maybe through different color or something. So we can see our profit and loss information here. So at a glance, we can see if the company is making profit or it is making loss. So you can always view that here, and you can always make decision faster with this widget on your dashboard. So you can generate reports on your financial basis as well, maybe the financial statements, profit and loss reports, balance sheets, and the rest of them. So under the workspace here, what you can actually do is like a virtual office where you can always see what you need to do quickly and pick up some activities that you need to do or that you want to do very fast. Instead of going through the normal process, we have the shortcuts here for you, from the dashboard to the creating of invoices, creating of customers receipts, creating a credit note, create a suppliers invoice, and the rest of all this. So we're still going to look at this quick view and customers. All these we're still going to explain them one after the other in the subsequent videos. So see you in the next video.